This is what doctors will never tell you about the cloves, so you do not use them. Amazing. In brief moments, a written explanation. The nature every day surprises us more. It is incredible the amount of mixes, shakes, infusions, among other things can be prepared, either with fruits, herbs, oils and other alternatives that can only provide Mother Earth. That is why this should be taken care of or preserved so that we can take full advantage of it, because it has to be recognized that it has taken more than one out of the trouble. Once again, it is here where we realize that the grannies were right in ensuring that everything to the natural is better, and that is, in their times everything was solved with homemade recipes, and nowadays we know the preparations that they are made with these natural ingredients do not cause any damage to the body, and above all are economic alternatives and accessible for many. Although science advances indisputably to combat various diseases, there are products created that are not only very expensive, but also cause side effects on the body, which it does. Let the remedy be worse than the disease, and that is why experts now recommend natural medicine as a fairly reliable option for curing many ailments. As previously stated, the natural is still the best. That is why in this publication we will talk about the medicinal properties of sweet cloves or cloves for the body. The clove is an aromatic herb native to Indonesia. It is used to give that sweet touch to some sweet foods such as the famous rice pudding. This herb has great health benefits which we will tell you below. Medicinal uses of sweet nail. 1. Relieves nausea and stomach upset. Mix clove with honey to achieve it. 2. Eliminate the problems of flatulence and gas. Injures an infusion of boiled sweet clove. 3. Combat dizziness. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of clove in 1 liter of water. 4. Soothe earaches. Mix 1 tablespoon of sweet clove with sesame oil, then heat until the mixture is warm and apply a drop to the ear. 5. Reduce labor contractions. Apply clove oil gently into the belly. 6. Heals dental infections. Mix 1 tablespoon of sweet clove with soothing oil and apply 1 drop of this compound on the teeth they require. 7. Stop the cancer and raise the platelets by taking this natural juice from time to time. 8. Relieve symptoms of diarrhea. Eliminate intestinal parasites. Calm headaches. Reduce fungus and athlete's foot. Now that you know all the benefits that can be achieved by adding cloves to your life, then incorporate them into it to strengthen your health.